Hi everyone, my name is Moritz Gastel, General Manager of Tala Philippines. I'm speaking to you today to address an issue that we're taking very seriously. The alarming rise of fraudulent apps and scammers illegally using the Tala name to deceive and take advantage of hardworking Filipinos. You may have seen the recent warnings and press releases from the SEC. Or perhaps you've had friends send you suspicious ads and imposter apps. Tala recognizes that there is confusion out there, and we understand how frustrating and damaging it is for those who fall victim to these scams. First off, I want to say a massive thank you to the faithful Tala community. To everyone who has taken the time to flag these stolen ads and report these fake apps to us and to the regulators. Thank you. Your vigilance helps protect others. Please know that we're not sitting idle. Tala is tirelessly working with regulators, especially the SEC, to track down and eliminate these fraudulent apps, clarify cases of mistaken identity, and bring justice to these scammers. Although we've been posting warnings for months, we want to make our message as clear as possible today. Tala's commitment to protect our customers is far stronger than the ill intentions of scammers. To ensure safety, we urge that you remember two things. Number one, Tala is not available on Apple devices. If you see a Tala app on the Apple App Store, it is fake. Do not download it. Number two, the real Tala app is only available on Android via the official Google Play Store. Harassment, unfair treatment, and predatory collection practices go against everything Tala stands for. While scammers rely on these deceitful tactics to take advantage of people, we take on a different approach, because your peace of mind and safety always comes first. Tala was built on a simple promise: to provide safe, fair, and reliable financial access to Filipinos. We don't just see you as customers. We see you as lifelong partners that grow as we do. And so when scammers try to take advantage of you, they are attacking the community that we've grown together. Your trust, your hard-earned money, and your security will always be our absolute priorities. Please stay vigilant, stay safe, and let's continue to look out for one another. As your kasangga sa laban ng buhay, we will always work to protect you. Thank you.